Organized all the wires up over here, tied it all up, and got them all sorted out. The next step, what I'm going to be doing is running the PCI Express bottom card for the SATA drive to run more than one SATA component and run more than one hard. I want to have so many hard drive connectors on the motherboard, and then we'll put in the two video cards, and once that's done, then we'll go directly to the power connectors. So we got that PC card mounted there for the SATA drives. And I'm telling you, this is taking an awful long time, especially when you're making a video. It seems like, it seems like it's very quick when you're doing it, when you're not recording it, but, what a night. But anyway, we'll continue on, and let's go next to the video card installation. I'm installing an XT6600 RX, and I'm running a 6700 as well. And there is the 6600 installed. And I move on to the next one. And there's the 6700 in there now too. Now we're on to moving into running the power supply. Geez, the case is like completely empty there. I think what I'm going to do is, next thing is going to do the hard drive mounts. To mount the solid states and the hard drives.